The Living Longer Stronger resource is a practical guide for chronic conditions for Aboriginal health workers to utilise. Essentially, it comes with 3 things within the resource kit. So it comes with a booklet, a poster, and a pamphlet as well. The resource kit was developed because we noticed that within Aboriginal communities, we have a high prevalence rate of chronic conditions. And Aboriginal health workers provide holistic care for all Aboriginal clients that come into the AMSs. So the Aboriginal health worker is able to go through that booklet, be able to say to them, well, here's some positive messages, here's who you should really be seeing, and here's the test that you might have to get as well. So it just kind of helps them confidently be able to relay those messages to clients in a culturally appropriate way also. So within the chronic conditions booklet, you've got 5 sections. You've got your cardiovascular disease, kidney disease, diabetes, musculoskeletal and respiratory, which is 5 of the main chronic conditions that a lot of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people suffer from. So within each of the sections, it opens with explaining what the disease is, how it can occur, risk factors that come along with it. And it also goes through detail by detail, different tests that they can get, how often they should be getting it, and what the test consists of. You also have your Medicare item numbers, which is really good for the Aboriginal health worker to see as well. The 715 Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander health assessment is an annual checkup that we're all entitled to. It's extremely important that a lot of people in community go and get this test done at their AMS, or they go to their AH&MRC, so Aboriginal Community Controlled Health Service. If anything is there, the 715 can kind of catch onto it, and if you're doing it annually, if there's any differentiation between, say, last year's appointment and this year's appointment, your Aboriginal health worker or nurse or GP is able to sit there and be like, okay, maybe something's happening here, just for early prevention or early intervention. The other common Medicare item numbers that you can find are in the first chapter of the book. Useful links can be found in the last chapter of the practical guide, and it's all sectioned off as well, so it's pretty easy to find. The poster in itself is just health professionals laid out and explains underneath each health professional what they are, what diseases they target as well. And those are the types of health professionals your Aboriginal health worker, your GP or Aboriginal health practitioner would refer you to. The resource kit also includes a health professionals pamphlet. The pamphlets in itself are just to give out to patients. For example, if you're going to a nephrologist, it clearly outlines what a nephrologist is, the potential costs, potential treatment, and it also has a page of notes as well. You can find the Living Longer Stronger resource kit on our website, or you can contact AH&MRC directly, and any staff member will be happy to assist you.